You know exactly what you need to do in order to live a happy and a healthy life. Like carving some time out for exercise and making sure you are going to reduce some stress in your life. Knowledge is not the problem. There's only one hitch. You have not started any of this yet. Are you open to transforming to a happy and a healthy you? Hello, I am Rajitha Bommakanti, registered nurse, faith-based holistic coach, and founder of Healthy You Lifestyle Center. If you want to develop healthy habits for life one step at a time, then click that red subscribe button and the bell icon now. We all have the knowledge on how to live a healthy lifestyle. Often, the biggest hurdle is the inertia. It's true that it isn't easy to change those ingrained habits, like driving to a nearby store instead of walking, reaching for a donut instead of an apple, right? However, gradually working towards a change improves your odds of success. So, let me share with you some strategies that can help you enact healthy change in your life. Shaping your personal plan starts with setting your first goal. Break down the choices that feel overwhelming. If it's too big, it's too hard and too overwhelming to do. So break it down into tiny steps that you can be successful in. The first step is select a goal. Choose a goal that is a best fit for you. You're more likely to succeed if you set priorities on these goals, because you might be having several goals. So you need to set priorities, what are more compelling to you and that you feel that they are attainable. Number two, ask yourself a question. Do I have a big dream that matches with my goal? Your big dream might be to run a marathon or to fit into a closet full of beautiful dresses that you always wanted to wear, or running after your kids and having fun with them outdoors, or cutting your blood pressure pills off. So, whatever that inner goal you have, you can achieve that. You can succeed moving towards your goals through small approaches, making small things work for you. Number three, pick your choice for change. So select the choices that feels like a sure bet. Do you want to eat a healthier diet and stick to your exercise and ease your stress? It's best to concentrate one at a time. When you make certain changes into your life comfortably with one change, implementing one thing at a time, and you do it for sometime you're comfortable with it, then add another one to it. Don't make too many changes at one time. Number 4, commit yourself. Write down the promise that you made to yourself, and also include 1 or 2 of your supporters that you don't want to let them down. It could be your children, your boss, your friend, your partner, any one of them. So that way that encourages you to slog through the tough spots so that you can get through the hurdles, because you have that vision, you have your why you want to do this. How have you ever made a plan and could not stick to it? What was the reason why you could not stick to your plan? Tell me in the comments below. And continuing on to our strategy, number 5, scout out easy obstacles. Maybe you love to meditate, but do not have time to do it. Or perhaps your hopes for eating healthy food. You have that healthy food eating habit. You want to eat healthy, but those hopes are trumped whenever you walk into the house in the evening very hungry, or you open your fridge, there is nothing healthy to eat, and your cabinets don't have any healthy options for you to choose. So those are some of the things that would trump your plan to eat healthy, do anything healthy. Let's look at number 6, brainstorm. Brainstorm ways to how you can leap over the obstacles. Think about ways to overcome those roadblocks. Not enough time? Then say to yourself that you're going to wake up 20 minutes early and do the exercise that you are planning to do. Or fit in about just 10 minutes of a walk right before lunch. So plan to, like have that refrigerator filled up with all those fruits and vegetables that you wanted to eat. And your cabinets are filled with healthier options and are visible to you. So when you walk into the house hungry, you know you're going to pick an apple or a pear or whatever the healthy option that you have available that you would want to eat. All right, moving on to number 7, and that is plan a simple reward. Celebrate. So anytime you achieve, you accomplish whatever your goal was for at least 1 week consistently, then reward yourself for doing a good job. For example, the rewarding yourself could be, if you enjoy bubble bath, taking a long bubble bath, or just playing with your kids, having fun, having a relaxing time. So you deserve that time, that reward that you gave to yourself. But just be careful not to reward yourself with food, because if you do that, that's just counterproductive of what you're trying to shift to a healthy living. And also, having a coach can really help you stick to your goals as you're going through tough times. Especially during that time, you need somebody to hold on to. I am your faith-based holistic coach. Until next time, you make sure you start with a plan in order to jumpstart a healthy change in your life.